Welcome to the Padhai Kar Lo JEE preparation channel. You can practice more problems on this exact topic on our Padhai Kar Lo Android app, link in the description below, or on our website padhaikarlo.com. Today's topic is the derivatives of polynomial, rational, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, exponential, and logarithmic functions. Let's begin. The power rule genuinely handles every power over dx or x to the n equals n x to the n minus 1. This single rule genuinely applies for a pony real exponent n. Whole Polynomial kite lacking Michel of Mercury Quampatharo Periogenagal Menet 113 Workshe. Rational functions, one polynomial divided by another, genuinely differentiate using the quotient rule you've already learned, combined with this same power rule applied to each individual term, since these are genuinely just polynomials built from that one basic power rule building block, layered together with the standard sum and quotient rules. The six trigonometric derivatives genuinely follow a consistent pattern: d over dx sin x equals cosine x, d over dx cosine x equals negative sin x, and d over dx tangent x equals secant squared x. Notice cosine's derivative carries a negative sign, a frequently forgotten detail. The inverse trigonometric deri all involve square simple rational expression over dx. Inverse sin x equals 1 over the square 1 minus x square. The exponential function e to the x is genuinely remarkable. It's its OWN derivative, d over dx e to the x equals e to the x, exactly unchanged. For a general base a to the x, the derivative instead genuinely picks up an extra factor, d over dx a to the x equals a to the x times natural of a. The natural logarithm's derivative is genuinely d over dx natural log x equals 1 over x. And for general base, log base a of x, it becomes 1 over x, natural log a. These exponential and logarithmic pairs are genuinely closely related inverse functions of one another. Q skill most frequently tested G skill here is genuinely having this entire table of standard derivatives memorized. Polynomial kite lacking Michel of Mercury Quampa. The single most frequently tested G skill here is genuinely having this entire table of standard memorized. Cole apply them instantly without needing to rederive each one pineapples due under a timed exam. A frequently tested trap involves genuinely forgetting cosine's negative sign, or mixing up the inverse sine and inverse tangent formulas. Always double check the specific denominator structure. Square root for inverse sine and inverse cosine, but a simple polynomial for inverse tangent and inverse cotangent. Also remember that p acting mukampar, essential first step before actually assembling. Let's recap. The power rule d dx x to the power n equals n x to the power n 1 handles polynomials and, combined with the quotient rule, rational functions. The six trigonometric derivatives follow a consistent pattern, with cosine carrying a negative sign while their inverses involve square roots or simple rational forms. E to the power x is its own derivative, and ln x has derivative 1 x. Having this entire table memorized for instant recall, combining it with the chain, product, and quotient rules for real problems is the key skill this topic tests. Polak limani pokpira filaf filashi filad, siphonyes and a fit sorvarnan. Keep this complete standard table memorized. It's the fastest way to handle derivative questions on the exam. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to Padhai Kar Lo for more JEE preparation content just like this. See you in the next one.